Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. And your daily update on Rndr, excuse me, I almost could not say the name. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick update on Rndr. After yesterday we had a nice bullish day. We reached our price targets around 2.75, 2.8. We also talked about that we could potentially get higher than this, and that's also what we'll talk about in this video. So ideally, like the main level that kind of has a magnet to it is that $3 level. A lot of people are talking about it. Can we get there? Yes. However, we are at an important level right now, an important support level. And if we do not do certain things from that level, I will surely doubt that we'll do that. All right. So even though I do think right now we're still bullish, that bears no guarantees for the future. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we get into that, before we get into Rndr, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions to join and also trade results, everything you need. But now let's get right into Rndr. So the thing is that 2.75, to be fair with you, if you follow these daily updates, that was the level, like when we started this rally, that was the level we were aiming for. I mean, if you take a look at the last resistance levels, you can see that we first found resistance at 2.1, then around 2.5, and then 2.75 being, it's a major resistance level. I mean, you can take a look at it. It has major key levels. But apart from that, it's also just a normal resistance level. If you look at the past price action, that's pretty strong. So that was the main price target back then. And then when we actually got some more bullish momentum in the last couple of days, we started talking about going higher. But that does not delete the fact that it is a nice resistance level. So now the big thing is that what I usually say with these rallies is that we'll stay bullish until we get some sort of bearish confirmation. And to be fair, bearish confirmation is actually pretty close, because right now this level right here at 2.5, it's a major support level. 2.5 is a psychological level. It has the 382 fib, 28 EMA, that blue line. So that's one hell of a support level, but we do need to hold it. Like Bitcoin had some bearish momentum last night. If that bearish momentum also happened for Rndr, if that continues, if we drop down below 2.5, like if we drop down to 2.4, then I think we'll just have a bearish breakout and we'll drop down all the way to 2.25 and 2.2. And then from there, sure, maybe we can rally again, but it will be 100% harder. And it's 100% also not guaranteed, especially not if we assume that bearish momentum for Bitcoin also continues. So this largely depends also on the FOMC minutes tonight. That's some big news. I'll live stream during that event. So if you're interested in that, make sure to come join. But that's the main thing. Personally, at this point in time, I do think, because we've seen so much strength from Rndr, I do think we'll hold 2.5, at least for today. And then I think we're just dependent on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is very much dependent on the FOMC minutes. So if Bitcoin tonight goes up to 27,400 again, I think Rndr can easily get to $3. And if Bitcoin played no part, I also would think this is the most likely scenario. It's just because of the correlation in the crypto markets and because of the severity of the news coming out, we're just a little bit tied to Bitcoin right now. If we were not, I think Rndr would be strong enough to get there, but unfortunately we are. So I cannot give you any guarantees. It does depend on the outcome of the news. So like I said, I will still be live streaming during that. So if you're interested in that and if you want to learn more about that, then make sure to come join. But for now, that's my take and my analysis on Rndr. So thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.